Welcome to episode 3 Unlocking MC² Finance. 60-second walkthrough on how to create a portfolio, verify tokens, and buy with confidence. Start by connecting a wallet. Next, to create a strategy, create your first non-custodial portfolio. Choose Create Smart Wallet. Click Confirm Signature and sign transaction in your connected wallet. Name your portfolio or choose a generated name. Choose an avatar for your portfolio and save changes. Click on Tokens to view the tokens page. Use the Score feature to view tokens by their authenticity. Token Authenticity Score analyzes 32 data points across security, trading, and social metrics. Next, pick a token you want to purchase and click on Buy. Example: Bakery Swap Token. Remember to verify authenticity first by clicking on the token. Confirm that the authenticity is healthy enough and less risky. View the token in the cart section. Select the portfolio you want to purchase the token with. Enter the purchase amount you want to buy the token with. Click on Go to Checkout. You can use your current funds in the portfolio, or add more funds if you wish to buy more tokens. Once that's done, click on Max to enter the purchase amount you earlier choose. Lastly, click on Confirmation to finalize the purchase. Coming up next in video episode 4, we'll walk you through adding tokens and portfolios to your watch list and sharing them. Catch you in the next one.